Let's see what today's story teaches us about life. Once upon a time, a young man worked in a factory. His mentor was an elderly craftsman who often gave him advice. One day, the old man said, "Work with full focus, talk less, learn more, and become so skilled that no one can replace you." The young man followed those words faithfully. He worked hard every day, mastered every task, and became one of the most capable workers in the factory. Years later, he visited his old mentor looking disappointed. The elder asked, "What troubles you?" The young man replied, "I followed everything you taught me. I work harder than anyone else. I know my job better than most people here. Yet others keep getting promoted while my salary barely changes." The old craftsman looked at him and asked, "Do you believe you are important to the factory?" "Of course," the young man answered confidently. The elder smiled and said, "Then take a day off tomorrow." Although surprised, the young man trusted his mentor and stayed home the next day. When he returned, his manager called him into the office. "Yesterday was difficult," the manager said. "Many problems came up and no one could handle them properly. We realized how valuable you are." The manager immediately promoted him and praised his dedication. The young man was delighted. He thanked his mentor and believed he had discovered a secret. From then on, whenever he felt ignored or unappreciated, he would take a day off. Every time, people seemed to notice his value. But after several months, something unexpected happened. One morning, he arrived at the factory only to learn that he had been fired. Shocked and confused, he rushed to his old mentor. "Why did I lose my job?" he asked. "I followed your advice exactly." The old craftsman gently shook his head. "No," he said, "you learned only half the lesson." The young man looked puzzled. The elder continued, "When a lamp shines every day, people often forget how important it is. They only realize its value when it suddenly goes out." The young man nodded, but the old man said, "You missed the second part. If a lamp keeps going out again and again, people stop depending on it. Eventually, they replace it with one they can trust." The young man finally understood. The craftsman continued, "The same thing happens in life. We often take our family, friends, and loved ones for granted because they are always there. We realize their value only when they are gone. So appreciate the people around you while you still can. But remember, proving your importance doesn't mean disappearing every time you want attention. Real value comes from being reliable. Work hard, stay humble, and maintain balance in everything you do." The old man smiled and said, "People respect those they can depend on. And when you learn balance, life rewards you with balance too." And that was the lesson the young man never forgot.